2019. A 7th consecutive division title for the Dodgers.
That ball's popped up. Abraham Toro in foul territory, and the Astros have won the American League West for the 3rd consecutive year. 13-5 the final score.
And the 1-2. Swing and a miss, and the Yankees win, and they are champions of the American League East.
Popped up. Coming in is Crone. He makes the catch. Win number 9.
High pop. Shallow center. Acuna is there, and the Braves are the Eastern champs again. One pitch. Popped up left side. Calling for it, DeYoung. He's got it. It took all 162 games, and now we can finally say it. The St. Louis Cardinals, champions in 2019 National League Central Division.